Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome to a very special Christmas edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is probably my favorite Christmas song of all time. It's called Christmas, Baby Please Come Home. It was written by Jeff Barry, Ellie Greenwich, and Phil Spector. Now this great song has been covered countless times over the decades. Some big names, people like Darlene Love, Bon Jovi, Michael Bublé, Mariah Carey, and the inspiration to me for this video, U2. So before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I always try to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and videos, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. So what we'll do is we'll have a look at the chords that you're going to need to know first, then we'll perform the cover. Afterwards we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. And as always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great Christmas song, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, in order to get all the way through this great Christmas song, you're going to need to know 4 chords. Let's have a closer look at them now. The first one is an A major. You're going to need to know a bar chord. It's called a C sharp minor. There's a D chord, and then an E major. That's it. Those 4 chords are going to get you all the way through this song. Let's get to the cover.
Lots of people around. Baby, please come home. Church bells in town, ringing a song. What a happy sound. Baby, please come home. They're singing Deck the Halls, but it's not like Christmas at all. I remember when you were here, all the fun we had last year. Pretty lights on the tree, watching them shine. You should be here with me. Baby, please come home. Baby, please come home. Baby, please come home. They're singing Deck the Halls, but it's not like Christmas at all. I remember when you were here, and all the fun we had last year. There was a way home back this year, but it's Christmas Day. Baby, please come home. Whoa, baby, please come home to me.
Alright, let's have a closer look at the chord progression. We'll have a look at 2 separate parts. We'll have a look first at the verse, and then we'll have a look at the chorus. So let's get to the verse. The song basically starts on the A major chord. Here we go. To the C sharp minor. To the D. E major. that's it. It simply repeats over and over again through the verses. Let's have a closer look at the chorus. All right, the chorus is played slightly different than the verse. It only incorporates 3 out of the 4 chords, but there is a little bit of a walk down that I incorporate into my version. I'll show you that in just a second. The chorus also starts on the A major. Here we go. They're singing "Deck the Halls," but it's not like Christmas at all. I remember when you were here and all the fun we had last year. And then back into the verse again. It's really that easy. All right, let's have a closer look at that walk down. Basically from the A, they're singing "Deck the Halls." It's the open 5th string, which is an A string. Then to the 6th string 4th fret, which is a G sharp. And then to the 6th string 2nd fret, which is an F sharp. And that's it. It's very, very simple. So again, from the A, and then to the D, and then to the E. That's it. It's really that simple. Practice it a few times. I know you'll get her down. There you have it. Christmas, baby, please come home. Thank you for tuning in to My Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos and tutorials, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Merry Christmas to everybody. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.